Dear friends and family, I am presenting a new workshop on the weekend of the 16th and 17th of May. And the workshop is going to be the future of spirituality. We're going to be looking into the next 7 years and understanding how to navigate the challenges, the changes, and how to prepare to be able to meet these changes on a meaningful level so that we're able to thrive and excel as the future unfolds. This is very important so that we can begin to prepare and know what is going to be happening next, and be able to be consequential and effective, and be able to support our friends, our families, our neighbors as things unfold. I invite you on this experience. That's the 16th and 17th of May, 2026. I promise it will be a most transformative adventure. Namaste.